$3,500 US or 4,000 euros in 1 week, in 7 days, with affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products. Now in this short but step-by-step video, I'm going to show you exactly how this can be installed in 2024 and duplicated by you watching this video right now. So let's go straight into it. As you can see over here, right, date July 11, 2024, and the balance over here. Now, how this is possible? You are maybe wondering, you're a beginner, maybe you have tried affiliate marketing and you didn't produce any kind of, or generate any kind of money, sales or results. Now, before we go into it, later you can reach out to me or follow me and ask me any questions, share any questions you have with me about affiliate marketing over here on my Instagram, Facebook, email or WhatsApp, okay? So everything is over here. You can reach out to me regarding any questions. Now, let's go straight into it, okay? As you can see over here, right, let's say our plan over here, our plan is, let's say, to make ClickBank sales or max low ticket sales. Now, the most important thing, my friend, as you watch this video, is to understand who is your audience, what do they want, and giving it to them in a really specific, unique way. Okay, so if you want to make, let's say, $4,000 US net profit per week in a 5 to 7 days, then you need 10 sales for $400. Or you can have, if you have 10 sales for $50 US on ClickBank, you can make $500 in a day. Okay, now maybe you're wondering, okay, do I need to have 10 sales every single day? No, I'm just giving you an example over here, because what usually happens is, as you can see, this is one product, okay? All this is one product. What do I mean by that? $50, let's say it's ebook or a mini course on ClickFunnels, on ClickBank for keto diet, for say, or diabetes. It costs $50. And then what happens later is the customer get upsold for $250 more. So at the end of the day, if you do the math, we can make 400, 600, 700 US dollar from one person who bought whole ClickBank funnel. Okay, they went to the VSL, they watched everything on a webinar, and they bought everything. One person. So you don't need 10 sales, 10 people to buy. No, you can make all of your money from the ad spend back, plus you can make a lot of profit with only one person buying the whole funnel. Now, do you see why you can start spending $5 to $10 or 15 US dollars per day on Facebook ads or Google ads and start generating really massive, huge results? Okay. Now, as you can see, have you ever heard of emotional states? If you ever try to run ads or do any kind of affiliate marketing, you know that some people fail, and the reason they fail, again, it's not your fault, because once you understand how this works, you will be able to see the deeper layers. You will be able to put on the glasses and see much more clearer, bigger picture. Okay, so imagine this: we have core desires of the market, right? Each market, like weight loss, dating, financial, casino, gambling, right? Hobby niches, golf niches, they have different emotions attached to it. Okay, so we have low emotional states and high emotional states audience, and depends what audience you're targeting, you use different message to the market match. You use different language patterns in our copywriting, in our ad copy, in our sales page. Okay, so we have to understand buying states, core desires, emotional states of the market, and understanding that female market and male market, it's a huge difference when we're using language patterns. Okay, now you don't have to do it or learn it yourself. This can be all done with you and done for you if you are really serious and you understand that you can get started and generate in your first 1 week, in first 6 to 7 days, your first 4,000 US dollars or 2,500 US dollars. Ask yourself what you could do with extra 2,000 to 4,000 US dollars in your first week of getting started with affiliate marketing. All right, because once you have someone who's going to help you and support you and hand holding along the way, then you can create sustainable income online without having stress-free online autopilot business where you can spend 20 to maximum 30 minutes a day on your affiliate marketing side hustle and start generating really, really great results. Now, we have audiences with intent, it means you are making sales. And if you have ads in front of people with no intent, you're not generating any sales. That's why I need someone who can help you and show you the way. All right. Now you can see the math, how it adds up to $16,000 per month. But we are focused on the fast income. Okay, simpler and easier way of making fast money, fast forward results with affiliate marketing. Now the next thing is, if you really want to get results, as you can see over here, $35,000 in the first 30 days. That means in the first 5 days of getting started and joining, she generated already over 5,000 to 7,000 US dollars in profit. Okay, so you can see over here, first week 8,000, and then $16,000 a week and $22,000 a week. Now, what you can do next, as you saw before, you can follow me on my Instagram, you can text me there, you can share any questions that naturally arise as you watch this video now before the great decision is being made. Okay, so you can subscribe to my channel, you can watch other videos, okay? Go through my other videos if you have any questions, but connect with me one-on-one if you're really serious, if you want to take to the next level your affiliate marketing journey, and let me know. You can connect with me one-on-one, links are in the description below, all right?